Hi, welcome to My Family's First Aid. My name's Jose, and I'm a 17-year firefighter paramedic, a veteran of the United States Marine Corps, happily married, and we have 4 boys. Now, after almost 20 years of public and military service, I've seen a lot of pain and loss and death, and I personally believe that could have been reduced, if not averted, had somebody simply stepped up or stepped into that situation to help those people in their time of need. After my time in the military and the fire department, I've come to realize that the number one reason why people won't step in and help is fear. And I believe that fear is based on a couple of things, being a lack of education, equipment, training, and personal leadership. So I've started My Family's First Aid as a way to bring my 20 years of experience, all the lessons learned from that pain, loss, and death to you to help you level up, better your situation, yourself, so that when you see somebody in a time of need, you can actually step in and help. We're going to be putting out content almost daily. So if you like this video, if you think this would help somebody you know or help yourself, please click the thumbs up down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get that content we're putting out almost every day, and leave a comment down below. Questions you have, concerns, things I can do better. If you have any questions on gear, procedures, equipment, and just in general, anything you want to let me know. So thank you for your time. Hope to see you around. Have a great day.